Hello friends, hope you're fine. Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 39, and the topic is adding ed to doing words. Here one thing is written doing words. It means a word which shows action, means by which word we do something like swim, eat, play. Okay, so let's see what is written later. When we add ed to verbs, here verbs actually means doing words. Ending with y, we change the y to I. Change the y to I and add on ed. Try, here marry. See, here tries, y has become I. Then in this place later we have added ed, means tried. Here the same thing has happened, marry. Here y was the last letter and y has become I. Then we have added here ed. After that, here it's written with these words, the y is changed to I and d only is added. Pay, paid, lay, laid, say, said. There is the difference. In this place we have made y into I and later we have added ed, but here we have just made y into I and after that we have added only d. So after reading this, we will find two exercises and we will do it and we will get the topic is so easy. Here see, I tidy my bedroom. I tidied my bedroom. A number exercise, here it's written add ed to each of these words. Remember to change the y to I. So easy. Let's start. Here dry, what we will do, we'll cut this y and we will add here I and later what? Letter E T. Same thing, carry I then E D. Here y will be I and after that ed. Copied. Tidy, what will be? Tidy will be here I then ed. Tidied. Cry I then ed. So easy. Bury I then ed. Hurry I then ed. Hurried. Fry then this ed, fried. And empty will be I and ed. Now we will do B number exercise. C. Use the words you have learned to fill the spaces. Here I dash to catch the train. We can use here. We can use here in this place. We can use here. I hurried to catch the train. I can write here. I hurried to catch the train. 2 number. We had dash toast and eggs for breakfast. I can write from this place. I fried. See here fried, where we had got fried. Here in this place we have got fried. So here we will write I fried toast and eggs for breakfast. 3 number. Janet dash when she fell off the wall. Here we can write Janet cried. Janet cried when she fell off the wall. 4 number. Kid dash the heavy basket all the way home. Here Kid carried it. Maybe here we have got carried, so we can write Kid carried the heavy basket all the way home. Now this is the turn of 5 number. See, the sun and the wind soon dash the washing. The sun and the wind soon dried the washing. Here we can write dried the washing. 6 number. Robert dashed the room after the party. Robert tidied the room. Tidied the room after the party. 7 number. The dog dash a bone in the garden. We can write here what we can write. We can bury it. See, the dog buried a bone in the garden. 8 number, Bill dashed the words in his notebook. Bill copied. See, Bill copied the words in his notebook. 9 number, I dashed the butcher for the meat. Here I can write I paid the butcher for the meat. So now I have finished another page, that is page number 39, and the topic is adding ed to doing words. Next time we will do page number 40, and there we will find the topic, that is prepositions. Bye for today.